Hi, my name is Greg Palia. I'm with West Roofing Systems and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. In today's episode, we're going to talk about 5 things to know about re-roofing a commercial building. The first thing is it legal to re-roof? It is, as long as your roofing system as long as there's not 2 roofing systems already installed on your building. So if you have 1, you're good. If you have more than that, you're not good. You're gonna have to do some type of tear off. A second thing is, what re-roofing options do you have? The 2 most popular ones out there are silicone roof coating systems, and the other one is spray polyurethane foam. Both can be installed over your existing roof without removing the entire system. Next thing is, what are the benefits of re-roofing? And really it's cost, time, and the environment. Cost, you're not removing the entire roof, so it's cost effective with time to remove it, transport it to a landfill, etc. Time, takes a lot of time to remove a roof. It's easier just to apply a new roofing system over what you already have. And then the environment too. Why rip off a roof and all the insulation and transport it to a landfill when it's good? When you're doing re-roofing, you can keep what you have and just install a new roofing system over top. Some of the cons of re-roofing versus a complete roof replacement is eligibility. Roof's got to be in pretty decent shape to be able to re-roof over them. If there's 50% of your roof is wet, it's probably not a good candidate to do it. If the roof's 25, 30 years old, it's probably not a good candidate to do that either. So maybe doing a complete roof replacement would be a better option for you. But just get with a spray foam contractor or any roofing contractor actually out there. Get them on your roof. Let them pull a couple core samples and see what you got, and let them offer the best route, the most cost-effective route for you. And the last thing is, how much does re-roofing even cost? Silicone roof coating system is $2 to $4 a square foot, and spray polyurethane foam is $4 to $7 per square foot. But there's a lot of variables. How far away are you? Do you have to do, how much of the roof do you have to remove? How long of a warranty you want? So there's a lot of variables with that, but like I said before, just get someone on your roof and then give you the most cost-effective option for you. If you want to learn anything more about re-roofing, there's a link in the description to the full blog post that talks about these points in more detail. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.